Hi guys, it's Ginger. So we need to talk. I am popping on here for one, just to say thank you guys so much for watching my videos, first of all and foremost, and secondly for entering the giveaway. I'm so excited I can do a giveaway. I love when I can do giveaways. It makes me so happy to be able to give back. But what we need to talk about, a lot of people who are entered in the giveaway are not eligible to win because you're not following the rules. It's important that we can see that you're subscribed. You know, that way it's fair for everybody. Everybody, you know, has to be subscribed to the channel. It's just part of the rules. So I'm going to show you how to do this. I've done this in the past. Now Google and YouTube has changed a few things. The settings are a little bit different, so it may be a little bit harder to find. A lot of you might have a newer account on here, and by default it puts your subscriptions private, so you might not even know that your subscriptions are private, and that's totally fine. So I'm going to show you how to do it on your phone, and I'm going to show you how to do it on the computer. So, and then I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about when I say I can't see that you're subscribed. So you know exactly what I'm talking about, and it takes like 2 seconds. It's super easy, and I want to give everybody a chance to change it so it's public, so I can see it before the giveaway ends, so you're eligible to win. So let me show you guys. Okay, so when you're on YouTube, usually you're on your subscriptions here. You want to go over here to your little icon up in the top right hand corner and go to your channel. Once you are on your channel, you're going to hit customize channel. And then once that pops up, you're going to see this little button right here. Click that. And right here, privacy. Keep all my subscriptions private. If this is clicked to blue, all your subscriptions will be private, and we will not be able to tell if you're subscribed or not. If you click it like that, that will unprivate your subscriptions. So make sure it is not blue or not clicked over. It needs to be turned off. So that right there, and then hit save, and you're all done. Ta-da. Okay, so I'm going to show you on my glitter haul video right here. So I've been hearting everybody who I've checked and that is subscribed. So you see you have a little heart by your name. Some of you do not, and I will double check everything before I end the giveaway. So let me just grab one here. I click on the name, and then it takes you to their channel, and then you hit channels, and it says it doesn't feature any other channels, which could mean that they're not subscribed, or it could just mean that it's private, and I have no idea. And it's so unfortunate, guys. It makes me so sad that I can't, you know, enter everybody in the giveaway because you got to follow the rules. So let me show you one that is subscribed. So for instance, just click on this lovely gal right here, and you click channels, and right here it brings up all the subscriptions. Okay, so then I just search through here until I find my channel, and then once I see that this person is subscribed, I go back to their comment and give them a little heart, and it's that simple. So I'm going to insert right now the clip of it on my phone. Now this is for an Android phone. It should be the same for an iPhone. You just got to find that little circle button there and make sure you turn off the private for your subscriptions. So that's it, guys. Really, really simple. So make sure you go and make those changes to your account pretty please, so I can give you some pretty glitter. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found this helpful, and I will see you later. Bye.